Opo, si baby girl daw.
Magic word may right? Magic word.
Okay.
Okay, kailangan mag-magic word muna tayo kay Rachel. Ano yung magic word? Happy birthday, of course. Okay. Okay, go.
Happy birthday!
You want to say?
What?
Smart. Okay. Give it to them. Okay. Okay, says the magic word. And what will you say?
Thank you.
Okay, very good. So smart. Okay, next. Okay, what will you say? Okay, very good.
Embolsed.
Okay, next. Okay, another what will you say?
What will you say? Kumanta na, kumanta.
Okay, very good.
Okay na.
Okay, next.
Kuya Emily, ikaw na lang mag-thank you para sa kanila.
Next. Okay, very good. May energy pa si Rasha. Okay, next.
Yay! Yay!
Come here. Why are you crying?
Amo, hi, hi,
Okay,
hi.
this is for your...
Oh, Roshan, may po. Hi, hi, hi.
Birthday, Roshan.
Ay, ang
Okay,
kulit
this
ng
is for the girls.
Grabe naman ang baby ko. Nagpakalo kay ano.
Give it to her, ate.
Okay, very good. Okay, next.
Ayun na, ayun na.
And what will you say?
What do you say? Nagaya.
Thank you. Say thank you. Okay.
Thank you niya mag-pronounce. Thank you.
Thank you, say.
Give it to her, ate.
Oh, hindi siya. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, very good.
Ay, kamabili kay ate.
Extra Diyos girl yan eh.
May extra juice yan.
Now what will you say?
Thank you.
Oh, very good. Okay, next.
Sabi mo, baby, happy birthday,
Okay,
ha?
thank you. Okay naman, thank you.
Busy na sila dalawa.
Okay, before we stop anything else, magbabay-bye na po siguro si Kingdom Dawn and Bernie. Mga kids, bye-bye na tayo kay Kingdom
Bye-bye,
Dawn and Bernie.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye!
Bernie! Bye-bye, Mama.
Also kay Rashan, Bernie, Kingdom Dawn, kay Rashan.
Roshan, babay ka.
Bye-bye daw.
Okay, bye-bye ka na. Kasi thank you also.
Bye-bye.
Kiss daw. Mwah, bye-bye.
Okay, what will you say?
Ay, galit naman ang halik ang anak ko.
Nanggagahasa anak mo ah.
Anak ko, harassment yan. Bye-bye, Birdie.
Thank you, Birdie. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Ha? Sino? Mamaya pag... Huh?
Okay, I want to say thank you also. Okay, very good.
Hey, oh. Oh, anak, kunin mo. Wala na, ha?
Thank you, Rashan. Okay, thank you po.
G-Boy.
Babay, Macdo.
Rasha no, dali, dito dali.
Ayaw na, ayaw na. Ayan, iyak na.
Thank you. Okay, next.
Bibigyan mo kaya, bibigyan mo kaya. Kakargay mo ako.
Salamat po.
Birthday, Roshan.
Okay, salamat lang. Say thanks sa kayo.
Thank you.
Next.
Oh, yeah, ito raw. Next na feeling ba?
Okay.
Ito po, autistic to eh.
Alam ko na eh, autistic ako. Happy birthday, Roshan. Wala na. Happy din. Happy birthday, Roshan. Malalaki kami. Panakuha na. Thank you, Roshan. Thank you. Tama na, dahil. Ngayon pa, oh.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Roshan! Okay, salamat. Wala na ba?
Sticker ka. Ha? Ba't ako walang sticker? Ano sticker? Uy, sticker daw sabi niya. Bakit ako walang sticker? Uy, pati sticker. Basta ka dyan.
Roshan!
Okay, those who are walang sticker come here. You have a sticker
Ayun
here.
pa ako. Here. Ay. Sa'yo na yan. Sa'yo yan.
Smile ka, dali! Roshan, oh, smile! Smile ka, dali!